What if your website could answer every visitor automatically? Imagine having a chatbot that responds to questions, helps customers, and even guides people through your products. And the best part is, you don't have to build it yourself. AI can do it for you.
Welcome to AI Scope, where we take a closer look at the smartest AI tools on the market. I test them, break them down, and show you what's actually worth your time and money. No hype, just real insights. Let's zoom in.
Today we're looking at a tool called Tidio. Tidio is a platform that helps businesses add AI-powered chatbots directly to their websites. The goal is simple. Instead of manually answering every question from visitors, the AI chatbot handles those conversations automatically. Setting it up is surprisingly simple. You start by creating an account and connecting the chatbot to your website. Then you can train the AI by adding information about your business. For example, you can provide answers to common questions like pricing, services, shipping policies, or product details. Once the chatbot has that information, it can start responding to visitors in real time. If someone lands on your website and asks a question, the chatbot instantly provides an answer. It can also guide users to specific pages, suggest products, or help them find information faster. What makes tools like Tidio interesting is how they combine automation with customer support. Instead of hiring someone to answer messages all day, the AI handles most of the basic conversations. And if the chatbot doesn't know the answer, it can pass the conversation to a human agent. This creates a balance between automation and real support. For small businesses, this can be especially useful. Not every company has a full customer support team, but with AI chatbots, even a small website can provide instant responses to visitors, and that can make a big difference for user experience. Of course, AI chatbots are not perfect. They work best for common questions and simple requests. More complex problems might still require human support, but as AI models continue improving, these systems are becoming more accurate and more natural in conversations. What's interesting is how quickly this technology is spreading. Many websites are now using AI assistants to handle customer interactions, answer questions, and guide visitors. And this trend is likely to grow as AI becomes more capable. So the real question isn't whether websites will use AI chatbots. It's how advanced these digital assistants will become in the near future. If you enjoy discovering new AI tools like this, consider subscribing for more breakdowns. And as always, this is AI Scope. No hype, just real insights.